Finally, after 2 days of raining, we can see the blue sky again. You see? Finally, it's beautiful. And because of that, just in an hour, we are going on a tour. This is our coach.
Left, which is obviously in the middle of the river. It's called Grafenstein, and once upon a time, quite a long time ago, it was used as a prison also. And the cells and the dungeons are actually below the water level. And a system was put in place where, depending on the water levels, was depending on whether you survived, and it was almost like a torture situation. Back in medieval times, the Germans had this great system of if you were a witch, they would try to drown you. If you survived, you were a witch and they killed you. If you died, you obviously weren't a witch, and you know, it was too late really.
Unexpectedly in Gilly Gilly Awesome Pepper Cats and Ellen
So this music is actually on the coach.
There we go.
We're like flats in, I don't know which city.
Yes. This looks gorgeous. Yes, blue sky, finally. Oh yeah. Hi. Swipe, yeah? Nice. Bye, Rhine. It was good to walk on you. Good. It's so cool.
Honestly, I think we can walk up there. Yes.
Do you think we're going the other side?
Yeah.
To see the city better? Yeah? Okay, let's make a walk there. Okay, so we just finished the tour on the Rhine and we are going to a 2-hour stop in this city. I don't know its name again. But
It's a night tourist city.
Night tourist city. So we will walk through here. Probably we will be able to get some gift and to have some lunch. Okay, so we just managed to have our lunch. It was yummy. Also we bought some gifts, so we prepared at home. I hope you will be able to see it. So on the Rhine, you've got no bridges, but you got ships that actually works as a bridge. You just park on the ships like this one, either with a car or bike, and they will carry you through to the other side. Actually, to there. So from there to there. So that is how they do it. Interesting. So this should be the biggest hanging cuckoo clock in Germany. The biggest. Just take a look. Basically the shop built it, I think. They own it. This gift shop. So they attract all travelers to here and they sell smaller cuckoo clocks because you visit the biggest cuckoo clock in Germany. Fun, isn't it? That's how you make customers. And here you go. You can buy these ones. Ooh, these are nice. Quite loud. So tomorrow we are going to
Heidelberg.
Heidelberg. Didn't I hear this or read this in a pack of beer? No, really.
No,
Isn't there a beer called Heidelberg?
it's Heineken.
I know the Heineken, but isn't... I don't know. Is there a beer called Heidelberg? Then please make one. Let me taste it. So we just found the most creepiest place in Germany.
Ever.
The creepiest one.
It's
Look
just
at this
a
little...
alley.
She's a Russian. I
That's
don't
the
know how to
street
read it.
name.
So, come with us. Just come in here. Look, look. That is behind us.
This is the water levels.
So, okay, so when you... Okay, so we just came here because it looked fun. I played with the... sounds. What's that? What could give us something like that? Hello there! That's what I found here. It's really creepy. That little guy in there. It must have a story. There are the chickens, rat.
On the way down, it was
On the other
always,
side of the
historically,
boat.
we've always come down in
We
one
just
hit,
arrived through
and it
the
was
Rhine.
always a very, very long journey,
You see?
and a late finish. But they've, I suppose, feedback, isn't it? I suppose that's the thing. You're only going to change things if they need changing. Change is not good if it's not needed. So they've made a decision.
This is the Catman. In Germany you got the spider hotels. So please take a look at the guests like Spider 1, Spider 2, Spider 3, Spider 4 and the rest. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got only one room, please share it. The one light show is the full night show. Thank you.